Hey guys!
Welcome back to the channel. We're so excited because we are back finally at Universal Studios Hollywood, and we're gonna bring you guys along with us. Let's go!
Let's go!
All right, you guys, we just finished up the Forbidden Journey here in Harry Potter World. No, it was actually so good.
It was fun.
I kind of remember it being a little bit more crazier, but still, it's like a super great ride. Like, so much fun. We're gonna go check out Filch's Emporium. Alright, you guys, we just picked up some Butterbeer and we got one of each. We got the frozen and the regular. Let's see if they have any type of different taste between them. I'm gonna try the regular one first. Okay, now let's try the blended. I feel like the blended tastes a lot better. Yeah, I feel like this foamy stuff up at the top blends better with the ice than the regular. I'd go for the blended for sure.
This is actually a pretty nice hall, I guess.
This is Dervish and Bane.
Got owls up there too. Oh, they actually put like poop up there where the owls are. I don't know if that's on purpose, or if it's actually bird poop, or if it's supposed to be owl poop, but it's like just where the owls are.
Oh yeah, you're right.
But I don't know if that's on purpose. Anyways, shall we cheer? On to the next step. Let's do this.
This is David's favorite ride at Universal Studios Hollywood, the Backlot Tour, where we get to see some of the magic in film. This ride is a 40-minute, actually I think I saw 50-minute wait, but we're gonna just jump right at the very front of the line here in just a moment.
55.
That's for nearly 400 acres of land. Wave goodbye to all those people on the left. You'll never see them ever again. This man is our founder, Carl Memley, rocking the bow tie, waving his hat around opening day. Celebrities saying no, you're totally allowed to take that photo. Just keep an eye on your cameras so they stay dry with their water effects. We can flip it out, just hit New York, Washington, D.C. There's even an amusement park ride in Irving. Stairways are real. We get up to a second floor. The hidden setup there, it's kind of a cityscape late at night. You want one long tracking shot where you don't follow a person. We are going to make it rain. Make it rain, make it rain, make it rain on them sets. Take a look here. We use those overhead sprinklers, make the water go up in the air first so it falls more naturally, where we would have our camera line. We'll do that in 3, 2, 1. Thicker than regular rain. This is so it shows up. Cue flashlight. The mayor said it was safe to go back in, and I trust the mayor of Amity. I'm gonna go for it. Whoa. There's another shark. We're gonna need a bigger tram. Well, lucky for us, we are the last line of defense. That scuba diver, that's our buddy Tomas. He'll protect us. Hey, Tomas. No, Tomas? Tomas, no mas. I don't want that to happen to you. So everybody stay calm, stay seated. We'll have about the safest spot I know. These open gasoline tanks next to danger high voltage signs. That's right there. It took a little bit to take up close, but it's not send me a flinching car 3.
We all go a little match sometimes.
This house loop in the backyard, something even scarier. This is an alien attack. Well, I mean, Steven Spielberg directed film War of the Worlds. On this neighborhood, there's over 200 tons of debris. The plane on your left is real. That is a 375,000-pound Boeing 747. A lot of people ask if it crashed in real life. It did not. It had a great record. It set a certain amount of miles, so it was enjoying airplane retirement. Get fast and furious at any moment. Here's the plot. We're running away from a bad guy named Owen Shaw. We certainly don't know what it is to come. He's coming after us. We gotta lay low and do this.
I got the bull by the horn!
Don't worry, folks. Your comfort and safety is in the hands of highly qualified teams like myself.
All righty then. The roller coaster.
Eyes on me, Blue. Eyes on me. There we go. Blue. Blue. Oh, eyes on me. Blue. Hey. Hey. Good. Good job, girl. Blue does seem to be a little disobedient. But she,
All right, you guys, we're doing our last ride for the day. Transformers in 3D.
All right, recruits. Ready or not, it's mission time.
Thanks, guys, for watching this episode here on The Greens Go. We're so excited that you joined us today at Hollywood Studios. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more adventures because we have more coming your way.